Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 1 to you, which is May the 24th through May the 30th. Our classes actually don't start until May the 27th. But I have each block set up by week, so I wanted to go ahead and keep the same format. We're looking at greetings and farewells in the Spanish alphabet, numbers, calendar, and dates. So if you open it up, here's a video that will introduce you to this week. You need to study pages 4 to 11 and 21 to 24 in your text. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to greet and say goodbye to others in the target language. You should be able to recognize and recite the alphabet, as well as be able to spell common words and phrases in Spanish. You should also be able to count up to 100 and be able to talk about the calendar and dates. You should be able to relate some basic information on Guinea Equatorial's history, economy, geography, and people. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 6. All of this week's assignments are due by the 30th. To start off with, you're going to want to look at the syllabus, which you can find. Hopefully, it'll get moved to the side, but it's at the bottom right now. It'll either be at the bottom or off to the side. You can open up a Word version here or look at the Moodle book. And then after you've looked at the syllabus, you're going to want to open this up, and then you're just going to post any questions or concerns you have about information covered in the syllabus. Okay. After you've posted in for the syllabus, there's also the class participation forum. You may want to look at assignment 3 before you post in it, but you will want to open up the class participation forum, and then you are going to want to click on the thread, and you are going to hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about material introduced in the class this week. And most of the material that's introduced in the class will be in the in assignment 3. So you have assignment 3. You'll open up assignment 3. You will click on okay. So when you click on assignment 3, this should pop up. You will have 2 attempts, and it's going to give you the right answers after the first attempt. So I will not go back in and manually grade these because this is just a homework assignment. So make sure that if you want the highest grade possible, that you change your answers to match the ones that are given after you've completed your first attempt. And if you are struggling with anything, then please reach out to me. But the way that I have the assignment set up is that you'll have a video at the top of a few of them that will, some of the video, the video introduces the material. This is an instructional video. It doesn't tell you how to complete the assignment, and it might be used for more than one assignment. So you won't see those, you'll see them peppered throughout, but you won't see them in front of each activity. So this video will introduce you to the vocabulary. So you watch it first, then you'll complete the first assignment. This takes you to an HTML version of the text, which the text is right here. So if you can't read it that well and you want to see the HTML version, you can click it there. This video explains to you how to do assignment 1. So I'm going to try to have videos at the top of each assignment so that you can refer to them if you don't know what you're doing. And then you'll just go through and do what the assignment asks you to do. And it's the same thing here for this one. This one still relates to the video that you saw above. And this video will introduce to you how to do the assignment. And then here's the assignment. And then this one as well will introduce to you how to do the assignment. Here's the assignment, and so on and so forth. So just make sure that you look at the videos that are just above each assignment that explain to you how to do it, so you know how you're doing it correctly. And then you'll hit finish attempt and send it to me. Then you have your 2 cultural assignments. So for cultural assignment 1, this tells you how to complete the assignment. You are basically going to watch each of these videos. There's also transcripts in English that you can pull up. This one I do grade. So if you go in there, there's the videos again, but I think the transcripts are only on the front. And then you're going to be asked some true-false questions, and it's all based upon what you saw in the video. So after watching the video with the transcripts, or when you pull up the video, you can also have closed captioning. So when you open up the video, you can click the closed captioning button and put English, and it will speak in Spanish, but then you have your captions as well. So after you've watched each of those videos, you'll do that quiz, answer those questions. Then you have another one. This is the Club Cultura. This one tells you again how to complete the assignment. There's a video that you need to watch, and there are transcripts after you've watched the video. Again, you can click on the, I don't know if I can get down there. You can again put on the closed caption. And after you've watched the video, you'll hit attempt quiz now, and then you'll list the names of the Spanish-speaking countries. The names have to come, and you're going to hear them, but they also have to be written in the order that you hear them. So do not mix up the order. Make sure you've been given quite a few names. You just put the names that you hear in the video and the order in which you hear them. Okay. And I think that's everything that you have for week 1.